So yeah, in my opinion, this is one of the best times to travel to Thailand, just because it's coming up for like January, which is probably the sunniest time of the year. Like the weather will be pretty hot and sunny most days, and like no rain, no monsoon weather, just really beautiful weather. So I think it's a good time to travel to Thailand around about January to about April. Yeah, dude, this is like honestly one of the most beautiful parks here in Bangkok. So it's pretty melting right now, kind of soaked in sweat, but no worries. So yeah, we're just here in Benchasiri Park. It's one of the most beautiful parks in Bangkok. Yeah man, I'm not sure where I'm gonna go right now, but we're just gonna kind of walk around kind of the Phrom Phong area. So this is a pretty cool place to just walk around, and yeah man, it's pretty warm. So I'm kind of getting roasted alive right now. I'm not sure if I can get around here. Yeah, dude, this is like honestly one of the most beautiful parks here in Bangkok. Like yeah, there are a lot of beautiful parks here, but I'm pretty sure this is like one of the top contenders. This is just honestly a pretty chill and relaxed park. There's a lot of people like hanging out under the trees, so I'm sure they're not all homeless. Maybe some of them are, but I think for the most part it's just people chilling. A lot of kind of like homeless looking farangs around here for some reason. So yeah, pretty cool Christmas tree here outside Emporium. This is kind of a super luxury shopping mall, but yeah, it looks pretty nice. So I think they're kind of like building the Christmas, New Year celebrations. I think there's usually something crazy going on here. Look how crazy this rooftop pool is. Rooftop pool, rooftop garden. There's also a Starbucks here. This is probably the best location for a Starbucks in the whole of Thailand. I think it's kind of regular prices. It just has a really nice location. So yeah, it's kind of early evening, around sunset here. So we're just on the rooftop at EmQuartier. Really beautiful place to come and watch the sunset, or just grab some coffee or something. But yeah. So yeah, in my opinion, this is one of the best times to travel to Thailand, just because it's coming out for like January, which is probably the sunniest time of the year. Like the weather will be pretty hot and sunny most days, and like no rain, no monsoon weather, just really beautiful weather. So I think it's a good time to travel to Thailand around about January to about April. So we're just here at EmQuartier. So right now we're on the rooftop and this is kind of like a cool kind of whatever it's called, garden, roof garden, sky garden, something like that. It's actually a lot cooler now compared to earlier. I think when the sun goes down in the evening, it just drops a few degrees and the heat is much more bearable. Whereas if you're walking around like early afternoon, it's just absolutely melting hot. But yeah, thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more like Thailand walking videos. So yeah, cheers.